Hello friends, now today we are going to do midpoint formula and centroid of a triangle. How to find centroid of a triangle. So first midpoint formula, coordinate line segment AB is there. A x1 y1. Coordinate of A is x1 y1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2. Now here P is the midpoint of A and B. P is the midpoint of line segment A and B. So midpoint of the joint A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 will be equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. It is just like your section formula. Here the ratio is 1:1. So here you will be getting what? Ratio formula is about m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 plus m2, that is m1 is 1 and m2 is also 1. So you get 1 plus 1, that's 2. Here 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2. So you are getting x1 plus x2 upon 2. Here also the same way, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Then centroid of a triangle. Triangle ABC is given to you. In that, coordinate of A is x1 y1, coordinate of B is x2 y2, and coordinate of C is x3 y3. G is the centroid. As we know that centroid, we found it on the median, where the three medians meet. That point is known as the centroid of the triangle. That centroid coordinate we have taken it x comma y. Centroid formula, x comma y is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Okay, now question 2. Question 2 says point A, B have coordinates 3 comma 5 and x comma y. Coordinate of A and B have A coordinate having 3 comma 5 and B is having coordinate x comma y respectively. Now midpoint of AB is given to us 2 comma 3. So by midpoint formula, x1 is 3. So x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is 3 plus x upon 2. Then y1 plus y2 upon 2. y1 is 5, y2 is y upon 2. So which is equals to 2 comma 3. Now this x term is equals to this x term. So 3 plus x upon 2 is equals to 2 and 5 plus y upon 2 is equals to 3. So we get 3 plus x is equals to 4 and 5 plus y is equals to 6. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. These are the value of x and y, what they are asking. Question number 5. What says P 3 minus 3 comma 2 is the midpoint. Point P is the midpoint of line segment AB. Now point A lie on y-axis, point A lie on y-axis and point B lie on x-axis. Therefore, point A lies on y-axis, so coordinate of point A are 0, y. Point B lies on x-axis, therefore coordinates of B are x, 0. Then point P, that is minus 3, 2 are the midpoint of the line segment AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, point P is the midpoint, therefore minus 3, 2, which is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Here x1 is 0 and x2 is x. Here y1 is y and y2 is 0 upon 2. So by midpoint formula we have done the substitution in the midpoint formula. Then by comparing, minus 3 is equals to x by 2 and 2 is equals to y by 2. X is equals to minus 6 and y is equals to 4. Therefore coordinate of A and B are coordinate of A, that is A you have taken on y-axis, so it will be 0, 4 and coordinate of B is on x-axis, that is minus 6, 0 respectively. Question number 7. Question 7 says that point minus 5, 2, point 3, minus 6 and 7, 4 are the vertices of a triangle. So let me assume let A 5 minus 5, 2, B 3, minus 6 and C B 7, minus 4 be the vertices of triangle. So I draw the triangle. Now they are saying find the length of its median through the vertex 3, minus 6. So vertex 3, minus 6 is here and I want a median through the vertex B. So let BD be the median on side AC. So let BD be the median on side AC. D is the midpoint of AC. Reason, median of triangle bisects the opposite side. Median of a triangle bisects the opposite side. Therefore, by using the midpoint formula, as D is the midpoint, by using the midpoint formula, D, coordinate of D, xy is equals to -5 plus 7 upon 2, 2 plus 4 upon 2. We get 2 by 2, comma 6 by 2. Coordinate of D is equals to 1, comma 3. Okay, so coordinate of midpoint D are 1, comma 3. Now they are asking the length. So by using distance formula, what you have learned in your 9th standard. So by using distance formula, length of BD is equals to root 3 minus 1, as the coordinate we are having a 3 and we got it here 1. So 3 comma 1 the whole square. Then we have minus 6 comma minus 3 the whole square. So we get now root 2 square plus minus 9 square, which is equals to root 4 plus 81, which is equals to root 85. Root 85 you will be getting from the log book, or you can find it out. So length BD is equals to 9.220. Question number 10. Coordinate A 2, 5, coordinate B 1, 0, coordinate C -4, 3 and D -3, 8 are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Now they are telling you to find the coordinate of the midpoints of AC and BD. Give a special name to the quadrilateral. So coordinates of the midpoints of AC are midpoint formula 2, that is x1 plus x2. So x1 is 2 and x2 is -4. So 2 plus -4 by 2. y1 plus y2 upon 2. y1 is here 5. y2 is 3. So 5 plus 3 upon 2. So we get -2 by 2, comma 8 by 2, which is equals to -1, comma 4. Similarly, we can find it out coordinates of the midpoint of BD are 1 plus -3 by 2, comma 0 plus 8 by 2. We get -2 by 2, comma 8 by 2, which is equals to -1, comma 4. Since the midpoint of AC and BD meeting at one point, that is -1, comma 4. Since midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD, as it is a common point, and we know that in a quadrilateral, diagonals bisects each other. When we talk about diagonal bisects each other and they meet at one point, that is nothing, it's a parallelogram. So hence quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Question 15. Point P, A comma -4, point Q -2 comma B, and point R 0 comma 2 are collinear. That is given to you. Also given that PR, line segment PR is equals to twice QR. Now this is also given that Q lies between P and R. Q is lying between P and R. Therefore PQ plus QR is equals to twice QR. QR get cancelled, one QR get cancelled from here. So we get PQ is equals to QR. Now Q, as PQ is equals to QR, that means Q is lying between P and R. Therefore Q is the midpoint of PR. By using midpoint formula, as Q is the midpoint, so we have taken -2, comma B is equals to x1 plus x2, that is A plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2, that is -4 plus 2 by 2, -2 is equals to A plus 0 by 2, and B is equals to -4 plus 2 by 2. So you get A is equals to -4 and B is equals to -2 by 2, which is equals to B is equals to -1. This is the value of A and B. Question number 17. Let G 2 comma -5 be the centroid of the triangle PQR, where point PB x comma y, point Q is equals to -6 comma 5, and point R is equals to 11 comma 8 respectively. Then they are asking for the centroid. They are asking for the coordinate of the centroid. So by centroid formula, centroid they had already given. So 2 comma -5 is equals to x plus -6 plus 1. That means what? Centroid formula is what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. So here x1 we have x, x2 we have -6, and x3 we have 11. So x plus -6 plus 11 by 3. Then y1 plus y2 plus y3. y1 we have y, y2 we have 5 and y3 is 8. So y plus 5 plus 8 by 3. By comparing, so 2 is equals to x plus 5 upon 3 and minus 5 is equals to y plus 13 by 3. Cross multiplication, 6 is equals to x plus 5 and minus 15 is equals to y plus 13. Therefore x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 28. Therefore coordinates of point P are 1, minus 28.